This is an easy bathroom for DIYers to do. You're not screeding the whole bathroom. You're laying flat on the floor. You don't have to have fall on a small floor like this. Have fall to your shower, yes. This is going to be a semi-frameless screen, which means that you have your aluminium at the bottom. It stops any water coming out. Brilliant, absolute brilliant. They are a nice easy bathroom for DIYers to do. All the lines will go up. This is a this house, a young couple own this house and it's their first, and they don't have super heaps of money, so things are on a bit of a budget, and they're going to have a beautiful little bathroom, or beautiful little ensuite, I should say. That's all DIYers have to do, and a bloke with a bit of nous, when he watches my videos and learns, he can do this standing on his head after a while. We'll see ya. Bye.